In this video, we will learn how to check our website's page speed insight score. At first glance, this may seem very simple. Just enter the site URL, and within a few seconds, you get the performance report. However, the real challenge begins when you try to analyze a website running on a local server, not a live online site. So first, let's start our local server. I have already created a demo WordPress site on WP Local. I'll run it now. The admin dashboard is now open, which is also known as the backend of the website. Next, in a new tab, we'll open the front end of the site. Alright, this is the home page. Let's copy the site URL and paste it into PageSpeed Insights to see the result. As you can see, we immediately get an error message stating that insights cannot be generated for a site running on a local server. Now let's go back to our site's homepage. Keep in mind, this method has been tested on Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge browsers. On the home page, right-click and select Inspect. You will see several tool icons at the top. Click on the plus icon and open Lighthouse. Lighthouse is a built-in Google tool designed to analyze website performance, including local server sites, directly inside the browser. Just click on Analyze Page Load, and within a few seconds, you will get the PageSpeed Insights report for your local website. Just like a live website, our local site's PageSpeed Insights report is now displaying perfectly. Before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you genuinely found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I am working really hard to grow this community, and your support would mean a lot. Now, let's also check the results in the desktop version. We've also generated the desktop performance report, and the results are quite solid. In my upcoming videos, I'll be sharing advanced solutions for improving WordPress speed and stability, covering real performance issues in depth. So make sure you subscribe and stay connected. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.